Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove box around text in Word from ChatGPT copied text. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, this is the information which I want to copy. So to copy, I can just select it by my mouse and I can just hit Ctrl C, or I can just hit right click to copy this text. And once I copy the text and as soon as I paste it on Microsoft Word, you will get to see that the text is surrounded by the black boxes, and these boxes could be of any color in your case, but in my case it is appearing as black. So we are going to fix this. So how to fix that? You just have to select the text like this, then here you will find the option for paste. We have to click here, then there are three options available. The third one is keep text only. So as you can see, the text is looking as it is, but the format of the text is gone. Like as you can see, the RAM, CPU are not looking bold, so we have to make them bold. So we can just go with the keep source formatting option, and yeah, as you can see, the CPU name is looking bold, the RAM is looking in bold font. So you can go with the first one, which is the keep source formatting. This is going to be work fine for you. And guys, not only this, there is also solution number 2 for this problem if the first one is not working in your case. So for the second solution, you just have to copy the text by using ChatGPT's option, which is you can see here. So this is the copy button. We just have to tap here, and as soon as you get this tick icon, it means your text is copied. And now we are going to paste it right here. So yeah, this is also the solution for you. So that's it guys, now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.